Okay, students, today we're looking at the Use for Mastery dilations and comparing transformation. And I'm going to teach you how to do it. So this is just the dilation for part C. Tony placed a smaller car, represented by MNOP, on the coordinate plane. MNOP is a dilation of ABCD with its center at the origin and a scale factor of negative 0.5. Remember, the origin is the point 0, 0 on the coordinate grid. Okay, so we're going to solve this using algebra. And in order to do that, we're basically going to multiply each point by the scale factor. So we need to start by recording what is the ordered pair that represents each of the points for the car. So first you have A. A is at negative 8, comma 4. B is at negative 4, comma 4. That's the x and y value for that point. C is negative 4, 2, and D is negative 8, 2. I got all of that information by looking at this shape. Now we're going to make new points. It's for the dilation of this shape. The new car is going to be represented by the points M, N, O, and P. And then we're going to plot them on the chart. So the way we are going to solve this by using algebra is we're going to use this important number called the scale factor. The scale factor is negative 0.5. We need to multiply every single x and y value in the ordered points by negative 0.5 in order to find our new set of points. So let's start with a point A. A had an x value of negative 8 and a y value of 4. In order to get the new x value, we are going to multiply negative 8 times the scale factor, negative 0.5. When we multiply those together, we get a positive 4. We have the x value for our first pair. Now the y value. The y value for A was 4. We multiply that by the scale factor of negative 0.5, and we get a value of negative 2. We are going to plot that point on the graph, and we're going to label it. So we go over 4 and down 2 to get our point M. Okay. You're going to do that with all the rest of the points until you end up with 4 points marked on your graph, which you can then connect together to solve this problem. You're going to want to keep in mind that a negative times a negative is a positive. A negative times a positive is a negative. Let's do one more point. If you're ready to go and finish this problem. If you need one more example, let's do it. Let's do point B. B is going to become n, b was -4, 4. The x value was -4, the y value was 4. This is going to turn into n. Multiply -4 times 0.5. You get 2, a positive 2. And that's for the x value. And now the y value. Multiply 4 times -0.5. You get a -2. Okay, I'm going to record this over here on our little data sheet. And then go over here. We've got 2, -2. That's our point n. It's important to label these points as you go. Dilations can be confusing, so you need to label each point as you go. Make a nice little chart like we made here. You're going to finish this up. You need to find out what O is, which correlates with C, and what P is, which correlates with D. They're going to be an ordered pair with an X and Y value. Once you've figured them out, you can chart it on your graph. Thanks for listening. Good luck.